Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this square tunnel effect on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to select this square and I'm just going to create a square here. Actually, you can also fill the whole page, but I don't think I want to do that. So I'm just going to leave it like this big. Then I'm just going to swap fill, copy and paste it. So press Control C, Shift Control V, and then Shift Alt, and then resize it down to like probably about this much. Oops, I forgot to. Why won't it paste? Control C, Shift Control V. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Like so, and then you are going to add in a text. Like here, I'm just going to type in a text like tunnel. Something like that. Right click, create outlines. And then I'm just going to copy and paste it. I don't know why this won't let me paste. Does it have to be in this area? Hold on, I don't know why this isn't letting me copy and paste. Copy, paste. Oh, there you go. I don't know why it's taking me a long time to paste. Sorry about that. And you're just going to put it like this. Make sure it's in the same kind of space. I don't know why. There we go. I'm just going to put it down a little bit. Okay. How do I make this faster? Do I press like, oh, the space button, I guess. Sorry. And then once you're done with that, select both, go to Object, Blend Options, and make sure you select Specified Steps, press OK, Object, Blend Make, like so. If there's too much like words, you can go back to blend options like here and maybe have the specified steps to 7 instead of 8, like so. Then you're going to select object, expand, and press OK, and you're going to use the gradient fill. Then you're going to select the gradient tool and kind of bring it down like so, so the color turns from like white to like a black color. You can change the color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like so. Then we're going to use the square to be the guide. So we're going to put the like words here. And we're going to kind of resize it to fit the square like this. I know it's going to look very weird, but trust me, you have to do this. Then you're going to select this transform tool and choose this one. And we're going to make it into like this shape, like so. And we're just going to, oh, I don't know why this one looks like that. I think it's just a text. So I'm just going to make the, hold on. Let me just transform. I think it's the font, so I'm just going to leave it like that. It's going to look a little bit weird, but that's fine. So copy and paste it. And then we're going to rotate it this way, and we're going to put it here, like on the right side. And you're just going to do that for all the sides. So I'm just going to select copy and paste again. And for this one, I'm just going to rotate it. And then I'm going to put it this side. And then lastly, I'm just going to copy and paste, right click, transform and reflect and press OK. And then we're going to, put this text over here. I think we are done with that. Just going to make a couple of changes like so. We can also delete the like square outline. I can't move it. Hold on. There you go. Now we are going to just put in a black background. So just create a black background, right click, and arrange send to back. And here you have your tunnel text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Sorry, by the way, you have to reflect these two on the side, so just reflect this one and rotate it just like I did. Sorry, forgot to mention that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!